Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest products on the market. In today's episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the COLORCORAL Foldable Handheld Vacuum Cleaner and Cleaning Gel. The COLORCORAL Cleaning Gel and Rechargeable Vacuum Cleaner make for a simple and convenient cleaning kit. It's designed for cleaning various surfaces, including PC, car vents, cameras, printers, telephones, calculators, instruments, speakers, air conditioners, TVs, and more. To use the cleaning gel, ensure your hands are dry and clean. Take a piece of the cleaning gel, knead it into a ball, and press it slowly into the target surface. Then, simply pull it out, and the cleaning gel will carry away the dust and debris. The keyboard cleaning gel can be used repeatedly until it turns dark or becomes sticky. When it's time for a replacement, simply get a new one. Remember not to wash the gel in water, but store it in a cool place after cleaning. The vacuum cleaner boasts a strong 60W motor with 5,000 pascals suction power. It can easily pick up crumbs, coffee beans, and even small screws, making your cleaning tasks efficient and effective. The vacuum cleaner is cordless, allowing you to take it anywhere you need. It comes with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery that takes 4 hours to fully charge. You can charge it using the included USB charging port. The vacuum cleaner features a washable HEPA filter. When it gets clogged, simply uninstall it and clean it with running water. Ensure the filter is dry and properly fitted before using the vacuum cleaner again. COLORCORAL provides 2 nozzles for this portable vacuum cleaner. The flat nozzle is perfect for general dusting, such as desks and sofas, while the brush nozzle is ideal for rugged surfaces like mechanical keyboards and computer motherboards. The COLORCORAL Foldable Handheld Vacuum Cleaner and Cleaning Gel offer a convenient and efficient solution for keeping your electronics and other surfaces clean. With powerful suction and a reusable cleaning gel, this kit is a valuable addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cleaning!